Jamaica. This is Wickerman, seeing original DJ. Seeing, remember Captain Barky and Wickerman, me is Wickerman. My brethren pass, R.I.P. rest in peace. Jamaica. I wanna deal with Jamaica. Wanna deal with. And what kind of Jamaica this we have right now? And when Jamaica become this barbaric place? Yo, big man, youths all around I wanna deal with. And we have to protect with family, you know, and we have to protect the little girl, them in a Rasta, and the youth, them, you know. If we see a little girl on the street, why we not kidnap the people, them girl pick me and deal with them, so. Jamaica, we can't deal with this. And what kind of life we are live? Oh, everybody becomes so hateful against each other. Oh, nobody no love nobody again. One to the love that we did have, where we used to look out for each other. Jamaica be known by reggae music and the wood and water and the sunshine. You go up on the beach and you come down, come enjoy yourself. Tourist resort.
Tell the boy to bring back
see? Yo,
push him out.
Yo, Mr. Man. The man that we have the people and 14-year-old girl.
Push him out.
And I rape the girl star. Bring back the people and pick the star. We can't deal with them thing no more. I hear that thing we not deal with. See?
You don't see how the make on the bridge in a cry. You see that boy, the little girl on Instagram, when you push him out, you know.
Yo.
Push him out.
Yo, what that? Jamaica, what that? No, we can't take this no more. Entertainers, civilian, everybody, people in the community, we have to change. Remember, you know, we born back way back when, you know. We go through the 80s, we go through everything, you know. Bad man thing no go like how some youth are deal with it, you know. Bad man in a community, you know, you used to protect the community, you know. Nobody no get raped, you know. No car no broken, you know. Nobody no get no robbed, no chain no grab. Seeing people used to go in and come in from work and go at them bed. What kind of thing this? We can't deal with them thing here. Everybody have to protect them community and make we love each other again. If we don't see a youth on the street, we say youth, want me a good one to the youth them are the future. Who no live till you old and everybody are go dead out. Want to the youth them to rise and bring with kids, with grand picnic them and with blood alive. Want to them, no future, no dead for them. Wanna deal with Jamaica. We can't deal with this. That's something that where we had that. We don't know where it come from, cause that no come from Jamaica, you know, cause I know this we born and come see right now. Me I cry, me see some little things happen, and from my heart me I tell the people, me I tell you no, it not right. We have to stand up, boy, and get serious. Somehow no big people know about what go on, you know, and join up with it, you know. Somehow no know about some things, you know, and put up with the idiot things, you know. We have to stop it, you know. Me I tell you, you know, if we stop it, make Jamaica be a better place. This is how we live, this is how we come from, this is how we family, with kids, with blood, we sweat, with tears, with four parents, them go through all kind of slavery to make we come inherit things. Our mother and father still go through slavery. Right now slavery not done. We get some of it and we just stand up and a fight to go through. For our kids them live better, and believe me, and that do not do the pick to them. Big man, you know, stop it, you know. Yo, Jamaica, you know, wake up, you know. Wake up, you know, Jamaica. You know, wake up, you know. This is not right, you know. We want back with Jamaica, you know. Bigger heads, you know, look into this, you know. A whole heap of things are going on, you know. We not go take no more, you know. Yo, people. Yo. Alright.
So I know my people. Crime and violence really mash up Jamaica, you know. It make Jamaica look away, you know. Children missing, children abducted, people missing, the shooting, all them, these things are mash up Jamaica, you know. Make Jamaica look away, you know. Jamaica a nice place, you know. See me I say, it's a nice place where you can buy a house or you can build a house and live, you know. You see me I say, and this monster that is known as crime and violence are tear up, you know. See? And people within country of Jamaica are feed this monster and make this monster mash up Jamaica, you know, my people. You see? Wickerman said some very valuable things in that video, viewers and subscribers, you see me? Yeah. Anyways, I just presented to you a video that shows a veteran Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Wickerman and a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Buju Banton. According to some things that Wickerman said in that video, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that he's asking for a change within the country of Jamaica. My people, I want to tell me what I think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Yeah, I'm going to move on to another topic, alright? So let me know what I think about the things that he said in that video, you see? Now, I saw more than one post on social media that gave me the understanding that a female musician who goes by the name of Spice is to headline Pride Toronto 2022 LGBTQ Festival. Now, according to at least 2 posts that have been made on social media, I got the understanding that a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of Foota is disappointed with Spice and do not agree with her performing at that event or the festival. You see me I say? Now, after Foota made a post on social media somewhat talking about or responding to this whole thing where it said that Spice is to headline Pride Toronto LGBTQ Festival, I got the understanding that Spice responded to that post that had been made by Foota in a video on social media. And after Spice responded to the post that had been made by Foota in a video on social media, I got the understanding that Foota also made another post responding to the things that Spice said in the video that had been made on social media. Now, for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, what I'm going to do, I am going to read from one of those posts that have been made by Foota on social media. Then I'm going to present the video to you that shows Spice. You see me? And then after that, I'm going to read the other post that I saw on social media that had been made by Foota. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that I might not read word for word as to how the post had been made on social media, but I'm going to do my best so that you can have a good understanding about the post or the situation between Foota and Spice. Alright? So please bear that in mind. In all my 20 plus years as an established product of Jamaica and dancehall and reggae music, this is the first time I feel completely defeated, ashamed, embarrassed, weak, betrayed in my subconscious mind. I was confident that 2 PPL I would never live to see do this was at Spice Official and at Ground Godzilla. This now drives a serious fear in my consciousness that all hope is lost. This submission to the devil has become the new thing for dancehall artists, the new norm for our culture. Based on what I see going is that moral values are no longer important. The only thing that matters is money. The preservation of our music, culture, and righteousness values don't count. Honestly, on the name of the Almighty, I was banking on hope that no matter what, at Spice Official would never give in to something like, I guess I was dead wrong. This is a big L for the ancestors of Jamaica and the music given to us by the Almighty. Money has officially poisoned and crippled our industry. Well, maybe this is a band show. If not, it would be sad that at Spice Official wouldn't consider the well-being and career of her DJ after this. Shame a kill me, God no. Alright, so there are the viewers and subscribers, the posts that have been made on social media by Foota. Now I'm going to present to you the video that shows Spice. In the video, Spice responded to that post that had been made on social media by Foota. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Everybody have him I say, Foota, Spice, I give you 24 hours. We just delete the post, finish up with it, and just apologize and just call it at the end. The whole we move on and go have a Merry Christmas. Please. Because when we have more time, we will come back live. But me I give him 24 hours. I'm very busy right now. I love you guys. Mwah. Top of the morning to you guys.
Alright, so there's the video now, viewers and subscribers. Now I'm going to read the other post that I saw on social media that had been made by Foota on social media. Alright, again, I want you to please bear in mind that I might not read word for word as to how the post had been made on social media, but I'm going to do my best so that you can have a understanding about the post or the situation between Foota and Spice. Alright? Alright, listen up. Don't try the wrong and the strong thing at Spice Official. Give them back the money. Find excuse you not broke. Me know it hurts, say the international market. Now give you the respect and glory where you deserve. True, you no look Spanish or close to white like Achencia. Them and them still now go give you. Don't lose yourself trying to win that battle. Don't destroy dancehall morality to please your insecurities and your ego. It's not too late to cancel the show and save your integrity and your career. I love you, but you up. This time, do the right thing. Alright, so what do you think, my people? Tell me what you think about this whole situation, because this is one of the things that is being talked about on social media big time in recent times right now. Yes, so me I say, yes, so me just make you know what I want, alright? Anyways, I just so me I go left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. No, big up. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall.
Yeah, man.